This is part of a Let's Guide. I got their book about pergolas and arches and I really liked it, so I went for this one also. It's the right balance of size and material. And I like the pictures, although it's an older book, but look at the pictures, they're beautiful. And it relates more to where I live. Yeah, we have those higgledy-piggledy paving. Yeah, half page text, half page picture. That's nice. And lots of it. You don't see a page without any pictures. "64 pages. An index which really helps to find what you're looking for. And lots of material, and it's categorized, so really nice.